Welcome back. You have probably noticed that water can form tiny droplets or beads on many surfaces. Just think of when it rains and you see tiny droplets of water on the window. So let's learn how does the droplet of water stay together. We will see 3 little STEM experiments. 1. Drops on a penny. 2. Paperclip on water. 3. Surface surfer. Let's begin.
Hi guys, today we're doing drops on the penny experiment. And in this experiment we need 3 coins, 1 paper napkin, water, soda and soap, and eyedropper. Now dip it in the water, the liquid, and then put it on the penny and count the drops.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on 15. And now soda. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on 11. And now dishwasher liquid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Drop count. Water 15, soda 11, soap 7.
The variation of the drops is different because of the elastic nature and surface tension in each liquid.
Thank you, kids. Were you surprised that a lot more drops of water fit on a penny than other liquids? And also water produces a much larger, stable round drop on top of the penny than soda, dishwasher liquids. The way water creates a rounded surface is called surface tension. Because of surface tension and cohesion properties of water, the water sticks to the penny or coin. Surface tension of water is higher than other 2 liquids. Cohesion is the stickiness of like molecules to one another. Water molecules love to stick together. Did you get the reason? Okay. Can you think of other practical experiences of surface tension? Adding soap lowers the water's surface tension, so the drop becomes weaker and breaks apart sooner. This helps soaps clean dishes and clothes more easily. Insect walk on the surface of water, because surface tension prevents the insects from sinking by supporting their weight. If you ever noticed water drops stuck to windshield, you would know that while large droplets roll down the glass, smallest drops remain stuck. Water spreads on glass, but mercury doesn't stick at all to glass. While food sticks on stainless steel vessels, it doesn't on Teflon vessels. The paints and lubricating oils can spread over a large surface area because they have low surface tension, and we also do surface preparation prior to painting to make the paint to stick on wall.
Now let's move on to the next activity. Can you make this pin float on water? Can you? Generally, we take the pin and keep it vertically into the water, and it sinks. But now, I'm going to take the pin and keep it horizontally onto the water. Look at that! The paperclip floats. This is because when you keep the pin horizontally, there's more surface tension between the surface of the water and the pin, other than when you keep it.
The paperclip floats on water when it was kept horizontally, because surface tension prevents it from sinking, and also more surface area of paperclip is attached to water than when it was arranged vertically. If you add few drops of liquid detergent to water, paperclip sinks immediately. The reason is, the surfactants present in the washing liquid strongly reduces the surface tension of water.
Now guys, we're doing another project related to surface tension called Surface Surfer. For this experiment, you need scissors, a styrofoam tray, a bowl, or you could do this in a bathtub, and most importantly, detergent. The first thing you're going to do is cut out a boat shape with your styrofoam tray, like this. I'm going to quickly do that. Now I made our little boat. Now we're going to put it in the water. When we first keep it in the water, we're just going to lie it flat on the water, on plain water, and see its movements. The second time when we do it, we're going to keep it on the water but add detergent behind the notch. And then we'll see its movements. Let's go and do it right now. Why do you think the boat moved when we placed the detergent at the back of the boat? As you saw in the previous experiment, water has more surface tension than detergent. When the drop of detergent is placed at the back of the boat, the surface tension is reduced at the back, whereas in the front of the boat, water has high surface tension, and it pulls the boat forward.
What shape does a liquid droplet take due to surface tension? A. Spherical. Which type of fluids will have zero surface tension? P. Ideal fluids. Attractive forces between molecules of the same type are called cohesive forces. What unit is used to measure surface tension? A. Newtons per meter. Water's surface tension can be reduced by C. Adding detergents to water. Insects move on the surface of the water without sinking due to C. Surface tension of water. What is the phenomenon called when a liquid rises in a narrow tube against the force of gravity due to surface tension? A. Capillary action. Water does not spread over the surface of oil because A. The surface tension of water is very high. Which of the following factors affects the surface tension of a liquid? A. Temperature. How does surface tension enable certain insects to walk on water? D. Surface tension prevents the insects from sinking by supporting their weight. The paints and lubricating oils can spread over a large surface area. Why? A. They have low surface tension.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like to get notifications. Check out the links below for more quizzes.